Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF JPEG photo to PDF on your Samsung or Android phone. So open up the gallery and find the photo that you want. So let's say this is the photo and you want to convert this to PDF. Now if you tap on that photo, you have the three dots on the upper right hand side. Click on that, then click on print. Now from here you want to click this down arrow on the upper right hand side. You will have the option that says save as PDF, so tap on that. Now once you do that, simply click download PDF, this greenish PDF button here towards the right hand side, upper top, tap on that, and you will now have the option to save it wherever you want. So go ahead and tap, for example, document, so tap on that, and then from here click and save. Now what this does is actually save that file into the document folder on your phone. So in order to find that, you want to find your file, so you can swipe up and you can find it into the Samsung folder. So if you can easily find the Samsung folder, you'll find the My Files. If not, you can simply use a search and simply type in files, you'll find it. Click on My Files. Now from here, click on the Documents folder or wherever you choose to save it, and you will find that file in PDF. And as you can see, if you look on the right hand side towards that file, you will see that PDF, and you can simply tap on it and you can view it. So I'm going to simply go ahead and view it normally. So let's say I want to view it as this Samsung Notes reader. I can tap on that just once, and as you can see, I am viewing this PDF file. Very easy and very simple, guys.